Hi, my name is Martha Nowak with Kansas State University, and I'm making this video in the hopes that it will help you transfer your PowerPoint research presentation into a Zoom format, because our competition will be virtually hosted this fall. So if you will take a couple minutes, I'll share the screen and I'll load my PowerPoint up for you, and we'll get started. All right, so of course I've started with a title slide with my name and contact information. That's also a good idea for you. Create your PowerPoint with a maximum number of 10 slides. Rehearse it orally and edit your presentation until you can complete it in less than 10 minutes, which is our maximum allowed for our judges' consideration. If you do not already have Zoom, download the free app at zoom.us/download. Now the free download is only for the first 45 minutes. After that, they begin charging. So that's why it's important to practice. Open your finished PowerPoint, which is no more than 10 slides, on the desktop of your computer, and leave it open. Close out all the other applications. It makes it lots less busy when you start your presentation in your Zoom. Open your Zoom. You'll have to sign in with your username and password, and press the button that says Start Meeting. Click Record on the bottom taskbar as shown below, and choose Cloud Recording. Introduce yourself, your first and last name, and what division you're competing, whether it's high school, undergraduate, or graduate, and give the title of your project. Share your screen. It's the green button at the bottom taskbar. So judges can see your presentation slides as you describe your research. On the screen that pops up, click first on your PowerPoint, and then the blue Share button on the bottom right. Advance the PowerPoint slides as you describe your project. And be sure to thank the judge for their time at the end, and click the red Stop Share button shown by the yellow arrow. Click the red End button on the bottom right. The link for the cloud recording will come to your email within a day. Be sure to forward that email to me at msnowak@ksu.edu by November 16th. We'll be sure that your entry gets full consideration. Thank you.